I'm Zoe. Today, I'm excited to introduce our new product, the remote-controlled mower.
Our lawnmower is powered by a 9-horsepower China Lonsin engine that's Euro 5 and EPA certified, giving you reliable performance and protecting the environment. The integration of a brushless motor with a gearbox. The motor is designed with no Hall sensor. This innovative design achieves high transmission efficiency 73%, low energy consumption, a high gear reduction ratio, and a robust worm gear system. Reasonable electromagnetic design, motor running more stable, lower noise. Dustproof and waterproof. Reasonable gear parameters, reliable box structure, stronger bearing capacity. Notably, the gear and motor are seamlessly combined, utilizing internally applied grease lubrication to prevent oil leakage and ensure a longer lifespan. It adopts dual-channel brushless motor driver, which has the characteristics of sensitive response and fast response speed. For further convenience, our lawnmower has a function expansion hub for easy control and extra features. Even if you lack of professional remote control knowledge. The use of brushless dynamo, which combines high efficiency conversion, reliability, low noise, and compact size. And it can ensure the continuous operation of the lawn mower for a long time. Not to mention, our frame is heavier and sturdier than similar products, ensuring durability and longevity. The Vigorun tracked mower is equipped with a 15 cm wide rubber track, making it powerful enough to overcome various obstacles such as ditches, swamps, steep slopes, and wasteland. Vigorun driving wheels are cast and then CNC engraved, which are strong and durable. Our lawn mowers are designed for maximum performance. Its track-driven wheel, made of lightweight nylon, offer a variety of advantages. The first benefit is improved fuel efficiency and maneuverability due to the use of lightweight materials. A secondary benefit is excellent wear resistance, extending the life of the vehicle by reducing wear between the wheels and tracks. A third benefit is high corrosion resistance, providing protection in harsh environments. Finally, the fourth benefit is reduced noise during operation. The Vigorun linear actuator adopts famous brand products, known for its long service life and fine craftsmanship, is used in conjunction with the tie rod to adjust the cutting platform's height. The tie rod is used together with the linear actuator to adjust the raising and lowering of the cutting platform. As for the hardware parts, we utilize flange bolts and nuts, reinforced with strong and hard materials. This guarantees the chassis strength, performance stability, and overall durability. With a 200-meter distance, workers can mow without worrying about encountering unsafe creatures like snakes, spiders, or insects. Our control panel is designed with clear markings on each function button for easy identification. And the operation is very simple and easy to use. We've also included an emergency stop button to ensure user safety in case of emergencies. We use 4 mm thick blades for our remote control mowers. It has good hardness and toughness, with a more stable quality and good consistency. Hi there. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use our awesome remote control lawn mower. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to get started, from charging the battery to mowing your lawn like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, before using the machine, make sure to charge the battery fully. Here's the charging port, so you can plug it in and let it charge up. Next, when you receive the machine, the emergency stop button will be in the closed position due to safety concerns. Simply twist the arrow to start the button. To get started, turn on the power switch on the remote control. Then turn on the power switch on the machine. Let's move this baby around now. Using the remote control, You can go forward, backward, left, and right with ease. It's super simple. This lever controls the speed of the machine. You can switch between high and low speed depending on your mowing needs. Use this lever to set the cruise control. Adjusting the cutting deck height can be done by using this lever right here. It makes it easy to customize your mowing experience. When it's time to start the engine, there are 3 methods to start the gasoline engine. First, use this lever to crank it up. But remember to quickly move it back to the center position. And when you're finished mowing, simply move the lever down to stop the engine. Next method. Use the button on the control panel to start the engine. Press this button to start the engine. OK, press this button to stop the engine. Third one, pull start. Press this button to stop the engine. Finally, to turn off the machine, switch off the power button on the machine itself, followed by the power switch on the remote control. And that's it. You're now ready to go out there and mow your lawn with ease.
We are looking forward to distributors and dealers all over the world